Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. So in this video, I'm going to share my best trading strategy that has helped me to gain success in trading. So if you have not watched the previous video that I've uploaded on trading strategy part 1, please do watch it. So I'm going to share my 3 best NGT patterns. Hitting a stop, the stock will rally towards its high. Think about you trading at this place and your stop is exactly below this candle. And watch this video for better understanding. So this video is all about broadening patterns, how broadening patterns can really help you guys to make a really good returns in trading. So I plan to do this video in 3 segments. So the first segment is understanding broadening patterns. So the second segment is how to trade a broadening patterns. The third segment is profit and losses that I've incurred trading broadening patterns. So if you're watching the video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. Please do like and share, and thank you guys for watching. Let's get back to the charts. Hello friends, getting back to the basis of how to trade the broadening patterns. So how basically a broadening patterns forms. So for example, if the stock rallies or the stock comes down, what happens? The seller sells the stock over this place, then the stock comes down, and the buyers purchase it at this place, and stock rallies towards its high, right? For some reason, sellers are selling this at this place, and stock is again coming down, little lower than this. Okay, little lower than this. And then what happens? The stock rallies towards its high, making new highs again. Then the sellers thinks this is a good place to sell, and what happens? Then the stock comes down, and comes below this place. And then what happens? The stock rallies. So how to trade this pattern? I want to talk about the myth behind the pattern. So for example, this is a support zone, right? This is actually a support zone. When the price is coming at this place, this will act as a support zone. But what happened? The stock broke this support, and when the stock rallied, top loss would be at this place, right? The buyer punched orders where most of the people will keep their stop losses, right? Because this will act as a support. So then the stock rallied. So many people, what they would have done when the stock is coming here, they thought that the stock would come down from this place. What they would have done, they would have sold it here. But what did the price do? The price went up and took all their stop losses, because when they are entering here, they keep their stop losses at this place, right? And then what happens? Then the stock started to fall. But where did it fall? It fall below the support, and then the stock rallied. So this is what I fear trading, support and resistance most of the time. So how to trade this pattern? So what do you see here? You see high rise, right? You see high rise, and what do you see on the downside? You see this one, right? What's happening here? The stock is broadening, right? The price is broadening. The pattern is also broadening, right? The pattern is also broadening. So this is just a simple basic broadening patterns. How to trade the stock? So for example, if the stock is coming down at this place and it's going up, right? So this is one touch and this is second touch, right? We're going to enter third touch exactly over this place. When there is a green color candle, we're going to enter at this place, and we're going to keep the stop loss below this low of the candle or below the swing low, and our target would be this one. Not here, not at this place, but at this place. Our target will be at this place. So this is the basic example of how to trade a broadening patterns. So some of the examples that I've made profits on, I will share it to you guys. So this is just a Deepak nitrate on daily time frame. What do you see here? So I see this one. It's one of the nice, right? What do you see here? Broadening, right? Top trend line is widening for the most of the case. What do you see here? One second touch, right? What we're going to do, we're going to enter the third touch. So exactly here I have entered at this red color candle, and I've exited it at this place, exactly at this green color candle. So I made a profit of more than 6,000 in this trade. So this is all the example of Deepak nitrate. And then going back to the next example. Okay, what do you see here? This is Sona BLW precision. Okay, so what do you see here in this place? So I see this. What do I see in the top? I see this one. So this is one of the stock that I've been shared in Telegram. If you've not joined the Telegram, please do join the link below, wherein I will share the stocks that has potential to go up higher. Please do join. And coming back to the stock, what do you see on the stock? So I see this one touch, right? What happened? The stock came here. This is second touch, right? Where our entry should be? Our entry should be on the third touch. Our entry must be on this green color candle. Our stop loss must be on the low of the candle. Our target must be on the high of the candle. So how much I am making? I am making around 1:9 on this trade, right? The next stock is Lupin Limited. What do you see in Lupin Limited? I see this one. What do you see here? It's broadening, right? What happened? The stock came one touch, and second touch, and third touch. Our entry should be on this red color candle. So our stop loss must be on the low of the candle here, and then our target must be on this place. So you have seen, the stock has gone up, right, pretty well. So you see how the stock has gone up, so huge. So coming back to the next stock, this is Tech Mahindra. What do you see in Tech Mahindra? Okay, I see this one. Okay, on the weekly time frame, I do see this. So what did I say? The first touch, second touch, and third touch we're gonna enter, right? On this green color candle, we're gonna enter. So our stop loss must be on the low of the candle. Our target must be on the high of the trend line, right? So how much did I make? I make 1:1.6 on this, just a simple pattern. Going back to some of the losses that I made recently, trading this pattern, Mankind Pharma, I see this. So how did I trade this? So this is one touch and second touch, and the third time I'm going to enter, right? So this was my entry at this place. I found out the stock somewhere here at this place. Okay, I get my stop loss below this. And what happened? The stock gapped up 5%, and then the stock started to fall. But now what's happening? The stock is going high. I made a loss on this trade, and then on Nerolac Paints too, I made a loss. So what do you see here? I see this on the daily time frame. So where was my entry? What did I say you? So first touch, second touch, and third touch here. So my entry was here on this place, and my stop loss was below this, and my target was here at this place. So wherein the stock gave me a loss, so I exited the stock. So this is all the simple analysis or the simple thoughts on how to trade broadening patterns and how we can make a good amount of returns trading this pattern. If you're watching the video for the first time, please do subscribe, comment if you have any doubts, and like and share for those people who know, for the people who are losing money in trading. I hope you do so. Thank you guys for watching.